Ah yes, there she goes, Mauna Kea. All its glory. This is what you can see from my house too. This is what I'm taking from downtown Hilo right now though. Downtown Hilo, and my house is over that away. About half a mile. To the mountain. Biggest mountain in the world. Not necessarily the highest, but definitely the biggest, starting from ocean bottom. Snow covered right now. Observatories are up there somewhere. You can see a couple just to the right of that tower. Right up here are the observatories, a couple of them. Nice shot. Early morning sun shining on the mountain. Been some heavy rains. It's snow up there definitely.